Good day, this is Mike Olden with Lee Smith. I look forward to working with you on your next truck. You can reach me at 423-618-3323. Shoot me an email, molden@lee-smith.com. I want to take you on a walk around this 2017 E350, 113,828 miles. VIN number check is 1FDW E3F S2HDC42469. This is the 12,500 pound GVW with a rear axle of 8,500 and a front axle of 4,050. The tires are the LT225/75R16E. The PSI is suggested at 75 on the front and 65 on the rear. Wheelbase is 176. Body is by Morgan. They have rated it at 12,500 GVW. The overall height profile is 10 feet 6 inches. Features a smooth side and 2 external rub rails to prevent brushes. 2 extended rub rails for additional support and body protection. Let's take a look at the interior. Door pocket storage, manual crank window, manual release for your door lock, West Coast mirror with convex lower, defrost vent for the driver's side. We have an open air vent by the driver's door. Our headlamp control, cargo lamp control. We have the horn and the cruise control set on the steering column, tilt wheel, windshield washers, brights dims. Speed for your fan, your temperature control, and your directional flow of the air. We have 3 power point supplies, 2 on the dash and 1 in the glove box. A nice looking vent midpoint for the driver and passenger, and an open vent on the passenger door. Manual crank, 2 storage pockets in the door, storage pocket below the glove box, and then bucket seating that is high back for the driver and the passenger. It is a high back seat with internal armrest. It is a fixed position seat. The flooring is in good condition, a little bit of wear on the door sill rubber. Cab liner inset into the inside with the coat hanger up against the back wall, and your DOT kit on the back wall and at the floor. Start up. Safety startup requires that the brake be depressed in order to do the engagement of the starter. Standardized dash with your gear selector, your RPMs, your oil temperature, your voltmeter, fuel, radiator temperature, and your speedometer. Engine sounds very strong. Our tires are the Firestone Transforce HT2 on the front. It is a steel wheel painted white. Our tread depth nice and deep. Our rear tires are Bridgestones. They are the right tire size. Our wheels are the steel wheels, painted white. Tread depth on the rear outer, tread depth on the rear inner. Take a peek at our frame rail and underside of the body. They seem to be in good working condition. At the back of the body are 36-inch D dock bumpers, pull-out ramp, tow ball, and safety chain. On the driver's side is the license plate holder. We do have a grab handle on the passenger side of the body. Door panels are in good condition. On the interior, we have the LED lamp. The floor is a plywood floor with 2 slats for tying down your payload. There is the notch up at the front wall for the driver's and passenger seats. Our drain vent is in good working order condition and not clogged. The door rubber has a little bit of wear on the driver's side. Passenger side is in good working order. Coming around to the passenger side, steel wheels painted white. These are Transforce Firestones on the outer. center. Some conspicuosity tape from Morgan. Passenger door, passenger mirror. Front tire is the Firestone Transforce HT2. Very nice depth on the tread. A little bit of flake on the hood, but the rest of the front is in good condition. Not so bad. Taking a look to see if there's any signs of repair to any side quarter panel. These seem to be the original fasteners. Does look like an updated battery. And I hope you can hear the smoothness of the sound of the engine. Okay, this is Mike Olden with Lee Smith. You can reach me at 423-618-3323. Shoot me an email, molden@lee-smith.com. You go make it a great day.